Positive facts. General. Cutting-edge technology. New iPhone models typically come with advanced hardware and software features, showcasing the latest technological advancements from Apple. Improved camera performance. Apple often enhances the camera capabilities in each new iPhone release, providing better low-light performance, enhanced image stabilization, and improved overall photo and video quality. Powerful performance. New iPhones usually feature upgraded processors and graphics chips, leading to faster performance, smoother multitasking, and improved gaming experiences. Enhanced display. Apple tends to introduce improvements in display technology, offering features like higher resolution, better color accuracy, and potentially higher refresh rates for smoother visuals. Ecosystem integration. iPhones seamlessly integrate with other Apple devices, allowing users to take advantage of features like AirDrop, Handoff, and iCloud synchronization for a seamless user experience. Negative facts. General. High price. New iPhone models are often priced at a premium, which can be a deterrent for budget-conscious consumers. Quick depreciation. iPhones tend to lose value relatively quickly compared to other smartphones, which could be a concern for those who frequently upgrade their devices. Limited customization. iOS, while known for its stability and security, offers less customization compared to some other operating systems, which may be a drawback for users who prefer a high level of personalization. Proprietary ecosystem. While the ecosystem integration is a positive aspect, it can also be a negative for users who prefer devices from multiple manufacturers or platforms. Battery life concerns. Depending on usage patterns, some users might find that the battery life of new iPhone models doesn't meet their expectations, especially with the increasing demands of power-hungry apps and features.